Okay, so it's Dan. We're on the video marathon here. I'm ready for some breakfast. I make a video, then I go in there, upload it, use my little iPod to check all the comments and everything, and then let that upload, then do all the little diddly, and then make the little thumbnail, which, you know, I guess you could say I'm making improvements. I don't think I'm going to win any awards anytime soon for thumbnails and stuff like that, or anything that has to do with social media, except for maybe the content once you get inside the video. Anyways, this is my breakfast for the this is my first meal on the liquid diet here, the juice cleanse, juice fast, and I'm going to just have a coconut here. It's around noon, so I haven't had anything yet, so I'm pretty excited about this. Just a nice freshie that I picked off the tree yesterday, and what I do is I just strain it, and these are monsters, like a quart each. Can you believe it? 1 quart per coconut is incredible. Usually they're somewhere in the vicinity of like a half a quart is a really good one. This one is actually more than a quart, so this is the biggest one I've had, but these are just giant water bombs. There's no meat inside, they're very young. So there's my breakfast. Maybe I'll even take a little bit of lime juice. Look at that, a full quart per coconut. When you have those, a true blessing they are. Hope everyone's doing well in the cleanse. I'm gonna take a little lime here, squeeze it in, and then call it good. I gotta go take a break. I've actually been in here all day. I went out to the only thing that survived me was going out in the jungle this morning, because, you know, I've been on the social media probably, you know, at about 5 times the level that you've ever seen me on the Instagram, like 3 or 4 posts. I mean, I guess like some people do a lot, like Tani Ross, she does like 1 million a day, you know, so I guess people dig it or whatever. I feel like I'm bombarding you too much, but, you know, and then one of the hardcores was like, I'm having a hard time keeping up. I mean, this is a slow pace for me. I could literally put up 5, 6, 8 videos a day, and they'd all be decent content videos, but I think I might be wasting my time. So I'm going to chill out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this drink, and I'm going to actually drive down to the beach and go down to my trail, and I'm going to walk along the beach and get some fresh air and stretch out a bit. And then I'm gonna come back here, and I'll do like one more juice recipe, which is for a chemtrail detox. Because yesterday I was like, holy mackerel, the sky was just one big chemtrail. So it was pretty crazy. So I'm gonna make a juice recipe for that. Continue to promote the 10-year anniversary sale. By the way, if you haven't seen that's going on right now, there's a 10 years on YouTube, 10-year anniversary on YouTube, a sale on my website right now, a full tuition to my website for only $97, lifetime access. There's a link down below, go check it out. That's goes on for 5 more days, by the way. And so I'm gonna drink this, and I'm gonna go to the beach. So I hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to tap in on the juice fast here. Oh, I needed that. Okay, cool. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for the thumbs up and all the comments and all your love and support. I'll see you next video.